Hi everyone, I'm standing in front of a tall, within the historic defensive wall of Gibraltar is a grand limestone archway that many visitors walk through without realizing its international significance. This is the American War Memorial, a powerful symbol of enduring bond between two great nations. While Gibraltar is a British overseas territory, this specific gate was designed and built by the United States to honor a shared history of courage on the high seas. It was erected in 1937 by the American Battle Monument Commission. This monument commemorates the incredible cooperation between the American and British navies during the World War I. During the Great War, Gibraltar served as a critical base for escorting convoys, and the camaraderie formed here was vital to the Allied victory. As you look at the arc, you will see two bronze medallions representing the seal of the United States and the Department of Navy. It wasn't just built for aesthetic, it was integrated into the ancient line wall, connecting the city center to the harbour via what local calls the American Estate. Today, the gate remains more than just a passage. It is a permanent reminder of the sacrifice made by the sailors from both sides of the Atlantic. It stands as a testament to the friendship forged in the heat of battle that continues to this day. Next time you visit the rock, make sure to stop and salute the piece of American history in the heart of Mediterranean. I hope you will like the video. Thank you.